Hi there. Welcome to Craft with Kathie. This transfer is called Spring in Your Step. And I know we're getting near the end of spring, but this transfer is on special now. So if you like these designs, hop on over and grab it while you can. It's at a greatly reduced price and it's great for spring and actually even for Easter. And I'm going to make 3 projects from this one transfer in this quick little sped up video. As I mentioned, there are 6 different images with words that are included in this transfer. And as you can see, there are cut lines here. So I'm going to quickly cut this apart so that I can start using it. But these are just some adorable little images, and they are perfect little bright harbingers of spring. I love the bunny. The aviator bunny, I think, is actually my favorite. Of course, chick magnets isn't a slouch either, and I can't forget I love my little sprouts. That is just absolutely so sweet, and I think perfect for any grandparent. The oopsie daisy with the spilling cup is cute. And then, of course, the namesake for the transfer, put a little spring in your step. What a beautiful, beautiful collection. Well, let's get to it and make some little signs. I'm going to be using a 5x5 simple shape here, but I could also use the frames. For the first one, I am going to use the simple shape though, because it's just a little bit tight on the box frame. So chick magnets going on a simple shape. Just want to align that a little bit, smooth it down, make sure there aren't any air bubbles. And then I'm going to use a couple different colors of paste. My bumblebee for the sweet little chicks. And then a dark blue for the wording. I think it goes well together. I'm just going to smooth that out. Do a little paste and peel, pick it up for a moment so that the paste doesn't dry in the silk screen. Smooth down the lettering and then just chalk the rest of it. Love this color blue. Well, wasn't that quick and easy? Now it's time for peel and reveal. Here we go. What do you think? Okay, on to project 2 from this beautiful set. Which one should I work on? How about put a little spring in your step? These flowers are so delicate and so pretty and just absolutely scream spring. I'm going to do this on the white side of our double-sided 5x5-inch box frame. Actually, these have been replaced with our drop-in box frame, which means the inside comes out, so it's real easy to chalk on. You don't have to do what I did, poking the little transfer into the corners to be able to get down there and do the whole inside. The inside comes out, and it's 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to use a little bit of sage chalk paste for the leaves. And then I think I'm going to go with our dream car, a nice bright, bright, hot pink for actually the flower petals. I think that would make a nice little contrast. And you can see I'm using one side of our multi-tool to get into the smaller areas. The multi-tool has 2 sides. One is like a small little squeegee or a mini squeegee, if you will. The other side is actually curved and is great for getting into your jars of paste and stirring it up, kind of getting underneath the the lip of the jar. And again, I'm doing the paste and peel here. Just quickly pick it up, let it set for a moment. Obviously, this is sped up, so I probably let it set, raised it up for about 30 seconds or so. And then I'm just making sure that the rest of the transfer is still adhered, and then I'm going on to the next section. Just clean up my tools a little bit there. Yep, here's my dream car. Isn't that a beautiful, beautiful hot pink? I remember when this was popular when I was back in junior high. Oh my goodness, I'm dating myself, aren't I? But it gives it such a nice bright pop of color with those sage-colored leaves. As I mentioned, this transfer is now in our special section at a greatly reduced price. Obviously, it's almost out of season, but it'd be fine for next year. It really is a sweet little transfer, and it's only while supplies last. And then I'm using the same color, the hot pink, to do the wording on this. Isn't this bright and cheery? This would be great on a wall, sitting on a counter, on a bookcase, or actually even on a tiered tray. It's nice and small, but the detail just makes it so striking and so very, very pretty. Okay, time for peel and reveal. What do you think? Okay, one more little project from this set. Let me clean things up a little bit and then get on to the third one. And this is I Love My Little Sprouts. Just so sweet. So I'm going to fuzz my transfer, which I probably missed in the previous demos, but I always fuzz unless I'm using fabric. And yes, our transfers can be used on wood, chalkboard, dry erase board, glass, mirror, metal, fabric. Just about anything pretty smooth without a lot of nap. I've even done some imitation velvet pillowcases. Pillowcases are so much fun and so easy. And what a great way to add a little personalization or character to a room. So I'm starting by applying some chalk paste to the actual plant container. I think I was using the dark blue that was Academia. And then I'm going to use the sage for the foliage, like I did on the previous Spring in Your Step little project. And just finishing the rest of this off. Wasn't this quick and easy? And such beautiful, sweet little designs, all on one transfer. Thanks for watching.